What's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of So You Think You Want to Build a Skoolie Electricity Edition. And I just realized that as I was thinking, as I'm talking, like there's some other things that I think I need to explain, like topics I want to go over. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between an inverter and a converter, and it's really super simple. It's going to be a really short video, and yeah, I probably could just type this. I could put this in a different video, but I want to like make sure everything's separated so that you all like just if you need this specific information, you can click here, because I hate watching videos that are just like forever and a day long and you're just like, I just need to know how you did that one specific little thing. Okay, is that too much to ask? So basically, a converter takes 110 electricity and converts it to 12-volt electricity, or you can see that as AC to DC. While an inverter takes 12 volt and converts it to 110 or DC to AC. If you are doing a DC AC system in your bus, like I talked about in my electrical map planning or in the AC versus DC video, then you are going to need a converter for your load center. Now, some load centers come with a converter. Mine did not, but my papa had an extra one that he let me borrow. I don't really know the brand, or I don't really know like what's good and what's not good. But basically, you need something when you're plugged up at a campsite or something. Because right now I'm mapping mine out for on grid. So this is like if you plan on being on grid ever, you need a converter to be able to charge your batteries if that's something that you would like to do and run your 12-volt electricity. Now, on the flip side, if you plan on being off-grid a lot, you probably already know that you need an inverter, because if you're going to be doing any kind of solar to charge batteries, you're going to need something to invert your DC electricity over to alternating current. That is, if you are planning on having alternating current in your bus. Now, I talked a little bit about the DC video that you can get appliances that run just off of DC or 12 volt, but I don't know how that like works with all the plugins and everything. Like if you needed to use something simple like a hair dryer or a toaster, I really don't know how that works. So that's something you would have to research on your own. But if you're going to do a normal setup with 12 volt and 110 in your bus, then you're definitely gonna need an inverter if you're going to be off-grid. And if you plan on being on-grid and you're hooking up to electrical and you want to be able to use 12 volt in your bus or charge your batteries, you're definitely gonna need a converter. And I think that's the gist of it. And hopefully this video will be like 3 minutes and you guys will enjoy it. So here's my general disclaimer. Yep, that is a spiel and a half. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.